Good morning, afternoon. This is Willow's Corral. That is a really nice gate. It's bolted to the tree and it just swings so nicely. It is just a really nice, hi baby. It's just a really nice gate. And this is how much we have done on this side of her corral. Over here we have posts up, and we're putting in another one of those gates about where Willow's standing now. And then we'll be taking down that god-awful gate over there. And here we're going to put up 2 cattle panel gates that are 5 feet high so that we can access it and get in and out from in here under the shelter when it's nasty weather. We don't have to slog through this. It's dry. Isn't that great? And over here we've got that much built. He's got the wood laid out for the rest of it. We had one more wood delivery today, and then we should be done. And I am telling you, this fence cost more than my engagement ring. It is ridiculous how much wood is these days. It is absolutely ridiculous. I know, Willow, you are beautiful. I also know that you know how to get out. So I have to put that. I know I'm just a hateful person. Yes, I am. Once that's done, we can concentrate on cleaning up this horrible mess over here. It's terrible. My medical bill should be paid off next year, and then William just got a pretty good raise, so we should be moving to the farm sometime next year or sooner. I have ducks. I have ducks. I have one more inside that got badly injured. Not my duck, she was dumped on us. And that's just permanent mud. I don't know. The ducks somehow keep it permanently wet there. Yeah, those guys are pretty young. They'll grow feathers. We're pretty warm now, so they don't really need heat. At night, there's enough bodies in the duck hut to keep them pretty warm. Yeah, I really like my new ducks. More chickens than rooster. Oh, don't look at that trashy mess. William's going to be burning that box spring that don't know where it came from. It just has been here. He's going to finally burn it. Yay. My irises still haven't bloomed yet. I ordered some seeds that were supposed to be cornflowers, and really pretty cornflowers, and grass. They don't mind though. I've been picking it and giving it to the ducks and the chickens. They like it. So much for cornflowers. This is going to be moved out front, but under the trees over there. Our path used to cut through there. Now we have to move it to go around here. When we move to the farm, you can rest assured that we are taking all of this wood with us. It costs a fortune. Still don't have any irises up here. My spring flag will be... Oh my goodness, I spoke too soon. Look. Oh, it's got a bloom. Oh my goodness. I also have some wild violets. And my peonies come up again. So I'm pretty happy about that. My springtime flag will be going away, and my Hello Summer flag will be coming up pretty soon. This also got a whole bunch of the grass seed put on it that was supposed to be cornflower. So you can see that big bare patch there. I've been pulling it up and giving it to the chickens. My mother-in-law's hosta. Looks like I'm spreading a little bit. I still haven't gotten a flower from it, but that's okay. I like the variegated leaves. They're pretty. And I got irises that don't have a bloom yet, but that one has a bloom and it looks really pretty. We finally took the Silkies out of Willow's corral. They're getting a new coop here in about 2 weeks. They'll be getting a new coop. That rooster, don't ask, don't tell, he's going away. But yeah, then that's where the chicks are going to go. I have a whole lot of chicks that have hatched that are just a whole lot of chicks. Looks like everybody's enjoying this weather. Those guys, we're going to be putting wire around all of this fence and opening that up so that the chickens can have all of this space too. The fire pit's going away, like very, very, very soon. And this is coming out before we put in the new gate. That sucker's heavy and a pain in the butt to move. But that's all the news that I have. Here's my Willow. She just had her birthday on the 11th. She is 5 years old. She's my pretty girl. Still no news on when the Mustang's going to get here. But the fence will be ready. And we'll be welcoming her with open arms. We had a breakthrough with the halter today, so hopefully Willow's halter will be coming off and she will be a halterless horse. I hope. Y'all be blessed. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Comment below. Yeah, I need to get something to steady the camera. It's all I have is my phone. Y'all have a good day. Be blessed. Stay well. Love ya. Bye.